ever wonder what to do with leftover turkey? Craving a fried chicken sandwich? Well, here's how you're going to tackle both of those things at once. The result? The most monstrous fried chicken sandwich that you have ever had. Except it's turkey. Anyhow, until next time, YFP out.
That's fine.
But until next time, YFP out.
Growing up, I thought that if I wanted to taste delicious food like I saw in movies and TV, I would have to go to restaurants that would pretty much rob me of whatever money I earned. But learning from TV chefs like Martin Yan, Julia Child, and Alton Brown taught me that I can make delicious food right at home. And it would cost me a fraction of the price. So not only would I make bomb food, but I would do so with relative ease on my own wallet, and I could share it with friends and family.
Until next time, YFP out. Talon. YFP out. A delicious date night is your destination if you dare to make this steak au poivre. That's filet mignon and the bomb potatoes that you have got to try. Check out the link in my bio to head to my YouTube channel to get the full recipe. You won't want to miss this wonderful recipe that's going to wow your date or just wow you. Amazing. But till next time, YFP out. Hey. Make this Filipino twist to these big flavor game day wings. Head to the link in my bio for my YouTube channel and find out how you can create these incredible wings with not only a big crunch, but a flavor that everyone's gonna love. But until next time, YFP out. Go Niners. Turn a cheap cut of meat into a steak experience. Click on the link in my bio to my YouTube channel and find out how you are going to transform cheap steak into the ultimate steak. But until next time, YFP out. You can make yourself a delicious smash burger. And the fortunate part for you is it's actually pretty easy to make at home. Just follow the link in my bio to my YouTube channel for the full details. You're not going to want to miss this. It's juicy. But until next time, YFP out. What's the best way to cook a steak? I tried 3 ways. The result might surprise you. Check out my full YouTube for the results. You won't want to miss this. Until next time, YFP out. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to make yourself a delicious chicken fried steak. If you have some leftover steak, well, I think this is going to work out perfectly for you. Chicken fried picanha. This is probably my favorite experiment to date. Well, until next time, YFP out. Cold weather means hot chili, so why don't you go ahead and make yourself a bowl. It's going to take a few simple ingredients and a little bit, well, a lot of time, but this is going to be delicious. Trust me on this. You're going to love this. That is comfort in a bowl. Well, until next time, YFP out. What do you do if you've made an amazing rib roast and you need to do something with the leftovers? Well, in this video, we'll show you exactly what to do. You'll take an amazing rib roast, and after having it for dinner, the next day, you're gonna end up with an awesome sandwich. Here's how to do it. Well, until next time, YFP out. Are you craving pizza, but you don't feel like messing with delivery or frozen? Well, take a few simple ingredients, spend just a little time in the kitchen, and you will have a cheesy, meaty, satisfying pizza. YFP out. You can make yourself a delicious turkey, but it's going to take a little bit of legroom. But you got this. I know it. It's going to be delicious. This is going to be the best turkey that you have ever had. Guaranteed.
YFP out.
The best chicken sandwiches. Do they have skin or are they skinless? That's what I wanted to find out in this experiment. So today's video is fried chicken sandwich with skin on or skinless. I definitely encourage you to try this out and let me know what you think. YFP out. Yes, I fried these hamburgers, but that's not even the craziest part. I added in a special ingredient to try to take these burgers to the next level. Did it work? That's really good. Until next time, YFP out. What happens when I take a picanha, super tender piece of meat and stuff it into a beef Wellington? Well, let's check it out.
Ooh, I need another bite.
Until next time, YFP out. What happens when I take a picanha, super tender piece of meat and stuff it into a beef Wellington? Well, let's check it out.
Ooh, I need another bite.
Until next time, YFP out. What happens when I take a picanha, super tender piece of meat and stuff it into a beef Wellington? Well, let's check it out.
Ooh, I need another bite.
Might take a lot of time, might take a lot of effort, a lot of good planning, but trust me, to make a delicious beef Wellington is well worth it and you have got to try it. Until next time, YFP out. Here's how I combine sous vide and smoke to make the ultimate chicken sandwich. Chicken, bacon, cheese. What more could you want in a sandwich? Probably $1 million, but I can't give that to you. What I can guarantee you is a delicious chicken sandwich. Check this out. It's a delicious sandwich. You will love this, I guarantee that. YFP out. You're gonna end up with a bomb burger and you're not even gonna miss the bun. I guarantee it. This burger is delicious. YFP out. Cheesesteaks for cheapskates, that's what this is. Ah, my eyes. Tender ribeye, sweet onions, nice and cheesy. Not a true Philly cheesesteak, but you'll still love it. I guarantee that. YFP out. Here's an idea for a quick and easy lunch or dinner or snack. Add whatever ingredients you want or keep it simple like I did in this video. Whatever you do, it's gonna be delicious. Trust me on this. YFP out.